Hello everybody, just thought I'd show you our wild garden and how it's come along for the summer. Now these are sunflowers which planted, and I'm just waiting for these to grow into beautiful tall suns. We have lots of other little plants here. This is, I think it's mulberry bush. We're going to have a mulberry bush. The horseradish. This gets everywhere. This does. This is a nice big plant. I like horseradish. This is really for all the butterflies and the caterpillars and all those little creatures that like to nibble on it. As you can see, it's been nibbled on quite a bit. We do have lots of blackberry. Well, we did have lots of blackberries, but we mainly grow them for the birds to actually eat, because the little birds like to eat the blackberries. And we've got another bush here growing. We've got tomatoes. All the tomatoes are growing in here. Little basket I put up there for the birds. We've got a holly bush as well, which looks nice when it's covered in snow. Our little pond. We've had frogs in there. Our silver buddleia is growing nicely. Our rose. I got this bird cage from a charity shop, which is really lovely. And I thought I'd put a little plant in it. It does look nice with the plant in it. So yeah, that's our sort of wild pond. This is our wheelbarrow that's got flowers in it, and all these flowers. It looks really pretty, doesn't it? I like this windmill. I bought a nice big colourful windmill. Got all these gorgeous flowers. Some more of these beautiful things here. And all these. Yeah, so when you look at it, it's quite a wild looking garden. It's got so many different things in it, really, for nature. You can see, looking at it from this angle, you can see that it is quite unkempt, but that's actually how we like the garden, because it is more natural that way. So yes, some of the flowers are growing, but you can see how it looks quite messy, but that's how we like it. Our trees are growing. We've got trees growing here. That's a pear tree. Once again, butterflies love this. And this is our plum tree. And yeah, so and this is our lilac tree. So yeah, and we're growing a buddleia just down here, a nice big buddleia bush. We did have a massive big buddleia here, but unfortunately, when it got trimmed, it ended up getting a disease from a nearby rose bush which was here, and unfortunately it sort of killed off the buddleia. I like to keep the grass quite long. I think it's good. And got lovely little, these yellow flowers here, really pretty. So yeah, it's amazing how many wild flowers actually, we did have a foxglove, but it's amazing how many wild flowers actually just decide to plant themselves in our garden as well. But we get different birds in our garden. We get lots of pigeons as well. Yeah, so that's, and these are our strawberries that we've grown and mostly eaten all the strawberries now. So just a little update about our garden.